Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. Today we're diving into the world of high performance smartwatches with a spotlight on the much anticipated Garmin Fenix 8. As many of you know, the Garmin Fenix 7 series set an impressive benchmark for outdoor and fitness wearables, but whispers and leaks about its successor have set the tech community abuzz. So, what can we expect from the Garmin Fenix 8? Is it the game changing device we've all been waiting for, or just another rumor in the tech sphere? Let's explore the latest intel and uncover what we might be able to expect from Garmin's upcoming flagship smartwatch. The Fenix series, in particular, has earned acclaim for its rugged durability, advanced features, and exceptional performance tailored for athletes, adventurers, and fitness enthusiasts. Rumors suggest that the Garmin Fenix 8 could hit the market as early as September 2024. If true, this timeline indicates that Garmin is preparing to unveil a new flagship device that could redefine the smartwatch landscape. This potential September release aligns with Garmin's typical product cycles and could be a strategic move to capture the holiday shopping season. The Garmin Fenix 8 is rumored to be available in 3 different sizes, following the successful formula of its predecessor. This approach would cater to a variety of wrist sizes and preferences, enhancing user comfort and appeal. Additionally, 2 color options are expected: sleek black and sophisticated slate gray steel. These color choices aim to cater to diverse tastes and style preferences, ensuring there's a Fenix 8 model for everyone. One of the most exciting rumors about the Garmin Fenix 8 is the potential shift from the traditional MIP, memory and pixel display, to a vibrant AMOLED panel. This upgrade could revolutionize the visual experience by offering richer colors, sharper contrasts, and improved readability under various lighting conditions. If Garmin indeed transitions to AMOLED technology, it would mark a significant leap forward in smartwatch display quality, making the Fenix 8 stand out in a crowded market. While the Garmin Fenix 8 remains shrouded in a veil of speculation until Garmin makes an official announcement, the leaked details and rumors paint an exciting picture of what's to come. From a potential AMOLED display to a new budget-friendly variant, the Fenix 8 could push the boundaries of wearable technology even further. Stay tuned to Technology Talks for the latest updates as we continue to monitor the developments surrounding the Garmin Fenix 8. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content.